How to start an LLC in Ohio. Establishing an LLC in Ohio is a straightforward process that offers liability protection and flexibility for business owners. By following a series of essential steps, including choosing a name, filing necessary paperwork, and obtaining required licenses, you can successfully establish your LLC and set the foundation for your business. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in establishing your LLC in Ohio is selecting a unique name that adheres to state naming requirements. Your chosen name must include the phrase Limited Liability Company, LLC, or similar designations to clearly indicate that its status is an LLC. Additionally, the name should not be deceptively similar to any existing business names registered in Ohio. To ensure your desired name is available, utilize the Ohio Secretary of State's Business Name Search tool. This will help you avoid potential legal issues and ensure that your LLC has a distinct identity. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you need to appoint a registered agent who will act as your LLC's official point of contact for legal documents and government notices. This agent can be an individual resident of Ohio or a business entity authorized to conduct business in the state. The registered agent must maintain a physical address in Ohio and be available during regular business hours to receive important correspondence. Choosing a reliable registered agent is crucial as they play a key role in maintaining your LLC's compliance with the state regulations. File articles of organization. Once you have your LLC name and registered agent in place, the next step is to file the Articles of Organization with the Ohio Secretary of State. This document serves as the official formation paperwork for your LLC and includes essential information such as the LLC's name, principal address, and details about the registered agent. You can file the articles online or by mail, and there is a filing fee of $99. Upon approval, this step legally establishes your LLC in Ohio, allowing you to conduct business under its name. Create an operating agreement. Although not legally required in Ohio, drafting an operating agreement is highly advisable for all LLCs. This internal document outlines the ownership structure, management roles, and operational procedure of your business. It covers important aspects such as how profits will be distributed among members, how decisions will be made, and what happens if a member wants to leave the LLC or if new members are added. An operating agreement helps prevent misunderstanding among members and provides clarity on how the business will operate, which can be invaluable for both day-to-day management and future disputes. Obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN. The next step involves obtaining an Employer Identification Number from the Internal Revenue Services. An EIN is essential for tax purposes and is required if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. The application process is straightforward and can be completed online through the IRS website at no cost. Having an EIN not only facilitates tax reporting, but also helps separate your personal finances from your business finances, which is crucial for maintaining liability protection. Register for state taxes. Depending on the nature of your business activities, you may need to register for various state taxes in Ohio. This could include sales tax if you are selling goods or services subject to taxation, or income tax withholding if you plan to employ individuals within your LLC. To ensure compliance with all applicable tax laws, it is advisable to consult with the Ohio Department of Taxation or tax professionals who can guide you through the specific tax obligation based on your business model. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Finally, research and obtain any necessary licenses and permits required for your specific industry or location within Ohio. Depending on what type of business you are operating, this may include local zoning permits, health department permits, or food-related businesses, professional licenses for regulated professions, or other industry-specific certifications. Failing to secure these licenses can result in fines or legal issues down the line, so it's essential to ensure that you are fully compliant with all local, state, and federal regulations before commencing operations. Establishing an LLC in Ohio provides valuable benefits, including liability protection and operational flexibility. By carefully following the outlined steps and ensuring compliance with state regulations, you can create a solid foundation for your business and pave the way for your future success. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.